Hey everyone, it's Jamie here from Ecom Masterclass, and in this video, I'll be going over how to create a search engine on your Shopify store. What I mean by this is you can transform your search bar into something much more powerful to make it easier for your customers to discover products that they're looking for on your Shopify site. Now, this can be great for conversions as it's going to make it easier for customers to find what they're looking for. So in today's video, I'll be showing you the best Shopify apps available to help you set this up so you can make it easier for customers to find the products they're looking for. If you enjoy any of this content along the way, I would love it so much if you hit that like and subscribe button below, as that would really help the channel out. Let's start with our first app here. That's going to be Shopify Search and Discovery. This is a decent start app if you're looking to implement this and you're not looking to pay any money, as this app is completely free and it is developed by Shopify themselves. So it allows you to do a few things such as customizable filters, make synonym groups so product descriptions match the terms shoppers use. You can also use product boosts to feature products you want highlighted in search results. And you can add related and complementary products on the product details page. You're also going to get analytics overall so you can understand what shoppers are searching for. Now, I did a video on Shopify's search and discovery step-by-step setup as well, so make sure you check out our channel for that video if you're interested in using this app. So overall, it does have a decent UI here, and it makes it pretty easy to set up your search and discovery filters. In terms of reviews, it has a decent review here. It's only 3.1 stars. As mentioned, it is completely free here. So if you're just beginning with creating a search engine for your store, it might be something good to start out with. So let's move on to our paid app. So the first one is going to be Smart Search and Filter. Again, you're going to maximize your store's conversion rate through smart search bars with advanced product filters. So this app is going to have an AI-powered smart search bar with filter options, which is going to be great here as it's going to study your customer behavior and then use that data to provide perfect recommendations. It's also going to be collection and product filters, so customers can filter for what they're looking for. And it has a user-friendly dashboard, making it easy for you to customize the function and the design of your search bar. They're also going to have automatic spelling recognition and correction to prevent no result searches. This is going to be great because if a customer types in the wrong key or spells the word wrong, it's going to help them find the product they're looking for anyways, so they don't have to search it up on another platform to figure out how to spell it. And this can help decrease frustration here and decrease that friction to purchase. And it's going to give you detailed analytics so you can understand what customers are searching for. Now, there is a completely free plan on this app. You get 1,500 monthly searches that customers are doing, 10,000 products, and you're going to get instant search results pages, product labels, and a custom search bar. As you start to move up in pricing, you can get more monthly searches. This tiered approach is great as if you're just beginner or you have a low number of customers searching, you can be on a lower or free price plan. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at a perfect 5 stars with 210 5-star reviews. Just going to take a quick moment here to thank our sponsor, CalC, the one-click profit calculator that's going to allow you to discover your true profit. All you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get up-to-date calculations, as well as a variety of different analytics so you can understand how your store is truly performing. There's a link in the description to access a 15-day trial. It's also available on the Shopify App Store if you search Profit Calc and you look for this logo here. With that trial, you can test drive everything for yourself, but make sure you check that out below so you can start truly understanding how your store is performing financially and if you're actually making a profit, or how much profit you're actually making. Let's take a look at our next app here, and that one's Product Search Bar and Filters. So again, it's going to increase your conversion rate with AI search-based technologies. So just like the previous app we looked at, it's going to have AI search. It's going to be what they call searchandizing as well. So you can empower your search with AI-powered marketing tools, boosting rules, and banners. As we looked at with our first app, the one developed by Shopify, you will have to create those yourself, but here it's going to use AI to generate them for you. You can create different interfaces too, fitting the website theme, and they're also going to have visual and voice search, so you can let customers experience the convenience of visual and voice search even on their mobile device. Again, you're going to get statistics as well. You can understand what customers are searching for. So on the paid plans, there's a 30-day free trial, but there is a free plan with 1,000 requests per month. And again, it's going to go up based on the number of search requests that your app is receiving. In terms of what features are included, there is no indication there's any restriction. You should get the full feature set on the free plan. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at an excellent 4.9 stars with 594 5-star reviews. Let's take a look at our last app here. This one's going to be Smart Product Filter and Search. So again, very similar to the previous app we've looked at. Something to note about all these apps is they all have free trials or free plans. So if you're curious on which one is right for your store, you can install them and check it out to see which one is functioning or which one matches your theme or which one has a better pricing point for you. So again, this app is going to allow you to create a smart product filtering system on your collection pages, and it's going to have advanced instant search. It's going to allow for things such as auto completion, search redirects, and pinning products. You're going to be able to customize all this as well, and it's going to be compatible with Shopify native multi-currency and multi-language functions. In terms of pricing, there is a free to install plan with up to 25 products, and it's going to go up in price depending on the number of products. This is going to be a little different as the previous apps we looked at were priced based on the number of searches. Again, you're going to get all the same features on every plan with smart filtering, smart search. You're actually going to get unlimited queries here based on the free to install plan, merchandising, spell check, analytics, real-time syncing, and international pricing, as well as multiple currencies. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at an excellent 4.9 stars with 899 5-star reviews. So this concludes the video here on the Shopify search engine and what are the top apps to create a Shopify search engine for your store. I hope you enjoyed the video. I would love it so much if you hit that like and subscribe button below. Lastly, I want to mention our sponsor ProfitCalc again, the one-click profit calculator available on the Shopify App Store. There's a link in the description to access a 15-day free trial. You can also search ProfitCalc on the Shopify App Store and look for this logo here in the top left. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.